Well. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers and Legacy family. Today is Friday, full port Friday. We're not full porting, but we're trying to get some clean base hits to get us into the weekend green. That's what we're aiming for. That's what we're shooting for, and that's what we're going to get. Today, remember, base hits are your friend, and let's just keep it steady today. What's up, Rob? Good morning. So around 7 o'clock today, we had that big pump up. Right after 7 a.m. I don't know if anybody was trading at that time, but dang, that thing pushed. I wonder what happened. Let me get my doodles on the chart. We gotta get some doodles. Doodles are your friend. They keep you out the market so you don't get chopped up or lose any money. You know what I'm saying? Let's see here.
I like doing it too. Trust me, it helps.
Hey, that's what it's about, bro.
It helps.
For me, it's just helped me with my eyes, where I have something physical that I can see. That I'm okay. If we get there, I could do this.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? If we don't get there, we can't do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's all it is. What's up, Jane? Good morning. All right, got my little doodle lines on the chart. I'm just sitting here debating, right? I'm debating. Since we have that big push up, are we going to come back down? That's the $1 million question right now, because we got that close from yesterday. 942.75 was the close from yesterday. So I'm like, do we go up? Do we come down? We're going to have to see what we get. At 925, I'll give you where all the pivots and VWAPs and EMAs are. Let some more folks get in here today, so that way I don't have to repeat myself. I hate acting like I'm talking to my kids. Always have to repeat myself. You know what I'm saying? But hopefully you guys have had a solid week this week with the Legacy family here. If you haven't, listen, base freaking hits. Today is a new day, and you will be able to hit your goals as long as you stay disciplined and follow your rules. High time frames. What time frames you looking at, Jane? I really don't look at higher time frames, to be honest with you. On the 1 hour, yes, I see that. The 15 minutes, that one's looking kind of spooky. That could be a potential little bear flag getting ready to form. Same with the 30 minute. So the 1 hour looking kind of bullish, but everything else is looking like it may try doing a little bear flag. What's up, Israel? I'm debating. Do I trade some of my fundeds, or do I just base hit this eval today? Because I'm trying to get fully funded by end of next week, by Thursday of next week, fully funded with Tradeify and Lucid. So that way I will be trading over 24 funded accounts. And at that time, I will be going for the biggest payout I've ever received trading. That's my goal for the month of May. Hey, listen, for the month of May, I'm going for a solid number. And there will be signs when I hit that number. One, I'm going to be doing the request live with you guys when I request the payout. And then two, yeah, we may have like a band behind me. Who knows? But we get that payout. Trust me. Your boy's gonna do something with it. I'm not sure what. I'm looking at Amarachi. I was thinking about that, bro. I was thinking about that, Israel. You took it out of my mind, fam. That'd be hilarious. But I also, if I hit my goal, I may, because I had a meeting yesterday with the Mighty Networks team. That's the platform for the Legacy Wealth Society. And I'm looking at white labeling their app. So it'd be custom built just for Legacy. So you would go to your app store and download the Legacy Wealth Society app instead of Mighty Networks. And it'd be custom built out for us, everything like that. So your boy's looking at doing that. They got some big players that use the white label version of it, like Tony Robbins and all these other people. So I'm in the right thing with these big old people doing it, but it's expensive. Like if I do the complete, it's $126,000 a year. $126,000 a year. If I do the essentials, $48,000. If I just do like the bare bones where I'd have to build everything myself, it's $14,000. So I'm not trying to do that. So at minimum, we have to do the 48,000 one for that. And we are past 925. Let me give you the stats, everything like that. Alrighty, so we got our VWAP. We got our VWAP down at 17525 on the 2-minute chart for the Nasdaq. 17525 on the Nasdaq 2-minute chart. 21 EMA sitting right around 246.50. 246.50. I always say right around because it goes up and down when the price is moving. Then overnight high. 27,363.75. 27,363.75 is that overnight high. We got a pivot point above that, 27,400.75, which is crazy to even freaking say. We do have a pivot below our VWAP here at 17175. 17175. Last but not least, the close from yesterday, 942.75. 942.75. And right now, I feel like actually no. Disregard that statement I was about to say. It's full port Fridays, folks. We're going to try being as safe as possible today. We are not full porting, but we are trying to hit some base hits, get on base so we can come back on Monday and score again. That's all we're trying to do here. We got less than 2 minutes now, less than 2 minutes for market open, and we're just waiting, anticipating to see how this market likes to move this morning. We got news at 10 o'clock today, so we will be taking our time. There's no rush to this. Now, honestly, I'm thinking about sidelining my fundeds today to work on some more evals here, get them fully funded, because the market will need to move really, really clean for me today, for me to put up not all, some of my fundeds to trade them today. I've had a green week this week. I'm not trying to have a oopsies on a full port Friday. And we all know we've all had some oopsies before trading. And if you say you haven't, you're not a real trader. Just saying. I'm freaking cold up here right now. Let me turn my little heater on back there. I'm like freezing. I'm losing all this weight. That's why I'm feeling freezing. We got less than a minute now for market open. I am down 10.4 pounds in a month. I've lost over 5 pounds of fat, which is amazing to freaking say. Because right now I'm 10 pounds away from getting below 300. And best believe when your boy hits under 300, I'm brand new. Your boy will be brand new. All right, we're still falling down here. I have a feeling we're going to come down to that VWAP, to be honest with y'all. We're going to see at market open how the market wants to act. Less than 10 seconds now. Less than 10 seconds. Here we go. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2, 1. Market's open. Market is officially open. There we go. Just tap that VWAP. Just tap that VWAP. Who called that? I think I did. I could tell from just how the market was acting before market opened there that VWAP was going to get tapped. And we tapped it right away. Dang, I'm good sometimes. Oh, man. What am I going to do? You know what I'm saying? I just keep getting better, folks. Each and every day, I'm dialing in. I'm learning. I'm growing. And that's what you have to do if you want to get the benefits from trading. You have to be a student every single day of the market. Good morning, by the way, for all the new folks in here. Right down to the VWAP. For me, I want to see how we react on that pivot point. We got this pivot point down here sitting at 172 area. Want to see how we react in that area. Because we just came back down from that massive pump around 7. We just came right back down from it. So let's just see what we get. Good morning, sir.
Hi. You got my message. I wrote you this nice thing, and you're just so matter of fact with the response. You weren't like, amen. Thank you.
No, it was I texted late. That's why I was like, you know what? Let me not do anything crazy right now. I'll just straight to the point.
Inner circle, you can reach me anytime, mother. I like this glowing shit, and you're just like, okay, I'll just copy and paste the oh, thank you, monster.
Oh, it's Friday, boys. Your boy is excited. I'm gonna tell my trainer today, though. What was that, Steve?
I just woke up. I had that weightlifting sleep.
I slept pretty well last night. I woke up right at 7 a.m. this morning, wide awake. And I'm like, what is this? Because I normally don't get up till 8.
Yeah, at first I wasn't actually able to go to sleep. You know, that is like I was still kind of amped from the workout.
What time did you work out yesterday?
Well, it was yesterday. I worked out like normal time, so I was like at noon, but it was like I was like still like pumped. It was like insane.
Okay. Yeah, because I used to back in the day, I would work out sometimes at night, like around like 8, 9 o'clock, and drink a pre-workout. Don't do that. You won't be up all night.
No, that's okay. I don't want that.
Oh, I was wondering. Come on, Duane, tighten up, bro. Tighten up. I'm like, why is my 2-minute chart not moving? Oh, I just had to scroll over. We're good now. We got news at 10. News at 10 o'clock today. I'm waiting until 9:45 to see how this market wants to react right now and act. We came back down from that massive push up right after 7 a.m. this morning. And we came right down to that pivot like I called it. So now I just got to wait to see what we get here. Your boy's base hitting. I'm going to trade these two Lucid evals first before I switch over to some fundeds, if I decide to switch to some fundeds here. Because I'm trying to get fully funded with Tradeify Lucid. I'm even thinking about adding 8 more Apex accounts to get fully funded with them. So decisions. I think today I'm gonna have to tell my trainer that no squats today, because I don't know, like my knees have been really, really good, but I don't know if they've just been like overworked. My left knee was like making like a little clicking sound.
I mean, well, the main thing is let him know any stuff like that, because you don't want to work yourself in the corner.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not trying to get injured while already injured, so that's why I'm gonna tell him like throw me on the air bike, put me on the treadmill doing an incline, but no squats today.
Here's what you're gonna do: you're just gonna at this point you're just be working your neck. It'll be Duane will have the Tyson neck. It'll be like, that's it. Like you gotta have the neck that goes to the point of the shoulders, like.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
The Tyson neck.
But I am proud of myself. I am down 10.4 pounds in a month. And I've lost over 5. I got to double check. It's over 5 pounds of just pure fat. So.
Yeah. No. But yeah, you know, it's like, you always used to be more proud of than the fucking scale is the fact that you're in a routine. You've got it. And you're staying in the zone.
The danger zone.
Oh my goodness.
My bad. I'm sorry, Steve. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's too early in the morning for that shit. I don't wanna be thinking about it.
You should try fasting. I love fasting, Vortex. I do fasting normally Thursdays to Mondays when I am fasting. But slow and steady, bro. Slow and steady. I do it every now and then. I don't do it all the time anymore since I'm off the carnivore. But when I was on the carnivore, I would literally do OMAD. So 1 meal a day. Then you're fasting for 24 hours. I was doing that like it was nothing. So then I bumped it to the 2 days, then 3 days. Then I would quit after the 3 days normally.
Well, then here you did the 40 days of 40 nights, the John the Baptist fast.
I have not tried that one.
Hey, not so fast.
But I'm excited because end of next month, I should be under 300 pounds. First time in like like 9 years. So, hey, thank you, Jesus. Praise you, Jesus. Get this weight off. Trying to get ready for the Portugal trip. You know what I'm saying?
There'll be less weight on the plane. Hey, give me $20 back for my baggage.
Right? And I always wondered about that, right? They be charging you for your bags for weight, but you could be super big and get on the plane. And
well, I know that's like a it gets especially at Reddit, people are like freaking out, but if these people that are trying to fit into like one seat if they need to, fuck that shit, man. Because like my shoulders are wide, I don't need to. I mean, if somebody's like buff, that's like one thing.
Yeah.
Or even if they're like a big dude, that's one thing. But if they're just like a Golden Corral fucking mascot, I don't think that's Mookie Mookie. No Mookie Mookie, baby.
No Mookie Mookie on Full Port Fridays. Not today. Good morning, Rhonda. Good morning, BP. Good morning, Legacy fam that's tuning in just now.
No, BP is the ace.
I'm chilling right now. Like I'm honestly, I'm gonna try taking some trades on some of these Lucid accounts, but I probably won't switch over to Tradeify or my Apex accounts today because the market needs to move real clean for me to get excited today. Good morning, Raven.
I just wanna say for BP's thing, I reached out to him on some stuff. The guy's like fucking icon.
Oh, 100%. He has so much knowledge as well.
I'm just showing him the respect, man. He's probably on mute and he's probably walking his dog, but that's fine. He went out.
Market's real tight right here, right now. Just going sideways. Can't trade sideways action.
Get no satisfaction.
I need my heater to start work. I turned my little heater up over here where my little fake fire is going. That's also a heater. Turn that heater portion on. I'm cold up here. All this weight I'm losing, I'm getting cold easier nowadays.
Yeah, okay, Kate Moss. I'm a little anorexic today.
Listen, I haven't been sleeping with a fan on me or anything. That's big. That's big right there. But I haven't needed to because every night I've been icing before bed. So my body's already cold. So I'm able to fall asleep faster.
With all due respect, that's like a lot of it.
You said that's a lot of it?
Yeah, if you're icing, you have that machine where it's like cooling off part of your core because you're hitting on your upper body near your organs. It's like that's gonna throw your body's gonna be adjusting your temperature, obviously. So that's I mean, I'm not taking away from your other stuff, man. You're looking great. You're feeling great. Moose wanted to get a picture of you in posing trunks when you're 260. I'll leave that alone.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely leave that one alone. That's awkward.
Yeah, between you and Moose, hey man, that's nice. That's nice, Moose.
Yeah. Well, yesterday I actually showed my trainer my picture of me at 265. He's like, all right, cool. Show me your biggest picture. I showed him the picture that was my ish moment that made me jump on the carnivore. He's like, dang, you got big, bro. But you don't look anything like that nowadays, so happy for you.
Well, you know what I love about your trainer? He doesn't hold it back. He's like, oh, well, that's not so bad.
I'm just waiting for some flags here. Got 5 more minutes to be cleared to officially trade for today, because your boy wastes the first 15 minutes every single day just so the market can figure out what it wants to do, so we can execute. It's like asking your girl, hey, what do you want for dinner? I don't know. You want this? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's like. So that's why I wait.
Yeah, what do you want to eat? I don't know. Do you want to go to Mexican? No. How about that new Italian place? We could get some. No.
First time here, you trade 15-minute orb. I wait for the 15-minute range to be completed. I feel like the 15-minute range is extremely important to know where that's at, the high and the low. Do we trade breakouts? Yes, but we use it with flags. So I personally trade bull flags, bear flags with momentum. So that's what we'll be waiting for. That's what we're looking for. And that could happen inside that 15-minute range, outside that 15-minute range, but that's what I'm looking for. I just like having that first 15-minute range dialed in on the chart so I can see what we're looking like for the day.
Okay, D-Bop, go to your phone real quick. Check out that pump.
Dang! White Jesus over here. We got White Jesus sending me photos. Steve's new nickname is White Jesus.
I sent that to Moose too. He asked for an autograph.
Now I'm gonna have to get a picture of me flexing just with this arm, not my right arm, because I can't flex with that one right now. Besides the point.
I'm just saying, that was my son. I was talking to him yesterday during the workout. I'm like, this is what we're doing, and he's like, looks at me because he wants it to be kind of like a continuity thing. But I'm like,
yeah,
you are so lucky that your father is a personal trainer, so I'm gonna destroy you. And we were doing all this stuff, and it was just like at the end, he's like, it feels like my skin's gonna rip off. I'm like, yeah. He was like so pumped.
Looking at this 5-minute here, looking at the 2-minute, we still waiting for our first flag to get printed here. I want a clean one. I want to take a trade, but I'll only be able to take a trade once I see a flag. Flag with momentum. That's the key, folks. That's the key. If you see a flag, that's great, but wait for the momentum. Trust me, it will save you so much heartache and money by waiting for that momentum. We're back below the 21 EMA. And let me actually make this bigger, this screen for me. VWAP's 183.50. 183.50 is that VWAP down there. Is this going to be our... I just don't know. I did not like that buying wick. This is what it's trying to do right there. Maybe if we break through that yellow line, I'd take a short down to that VWAP. Possibly. I got less than 2 minutes now to be cleared to trade. Let's see how this acts. Like, I need something clean. Only A++ setups today. Trying to go into the weekend fully green for the week. How come you only appear in a small rectangle? Jane, which stream are you watching right now? We have 2 streams going. We have the horizontal and the vertical. So if you want the full screen, switch over to the horizontal stream. It's on the channel. Because we have people that like watching it vertically and we have people that like watching horizontal. So we do both. The horizontal, you get more screen time. You know what I'm saying? You see more of the screens. All right, just go back to the channel. Go back to the channel and you'll see another live trading. And it'll say, well, one says vertical. That's the one you're probably on right now. And just click to the other one. That's the horizontal. And when you switch, go back in the chat. Let me know you made it safely back. Because all my chats go to the same little spot on my computer here. So we're below this 21 EMA here. Yo no say, no, I'm not Spanish, but I'm bilingual today, okay? Perfect. Come on, Betsy. What we gonna do? I don't like these little buying wicks down here right now. I am officially cleared to trade. I can officially start taking trades. But I don't like the little buying wicks down here if I was trying to take a short. And we're pretty much in the middle of this range so far, which I will give you the high and the low of it because it's not much. 176.25. 176.25 is the low of the range. The high of the range is 260. 260 is the high of the range there. It's creeping down to my yellow line, but we don't have that follow through. I need that follow through to execute the trade. Want that follow through with that good old momentum. Because I see a little bear flag, but we need some bears to finally flush it.
My man BP is setting up. He's looking BP and SMT. He's checking. The guy's a straight assassin, outclassing.
Yeah, still got that buying wick there. Yeah, I don't think the Bears are going to get it right here yet. We may just be trying to add some structure, but we trade ups and downs. We don't trade sideways. So we're above the middle of the 15-minute range now, just tapping that 21 EMA there. We don't diddle in the middle, folks. So anything near the middle of the 15-minute range, we don't touch. All right, getting above that 21 EMA now. There we go. Let's see if we could possibly... we still have quite a bit of time on this candle, so never mind. I was getting ready to say, let's see if we build a bull flag right here, but we got a minute left, so. Hopefully we don't just go sideways all the way till 10. We got 10 o'clock news today.
Oh, we do have 10 news, okay.
Yeah, we got 10 o'clock news today. We're right here in the middle of this 15-minute range as well. It's a no-go zone for me. It's a no-go zone for me. I want to get below that yellow line with momentum to take a short. or get above this 21 EMA and build a bull flag to take the long here. We did not build a bull flag there, but we're starting to push. I would like to see a flag. Listen, we get paid to be patient. We get paid to be patient. So that's what we're going to be today. We're going to be patient. We're going to wait for that A++ setup. Because that setup will pay the bills. All right, going back down to my yellow line. Still got that buying pressure down there. Still got that buying pressure. I did not take that short yet because we got that buying pressure. Look at that 5-minute candle. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. Oops, I was on the 30-minute. Jesus. I was like, man, the 8 minutes left. What do you mean 8 minutes left on a 5-minute candle? That don't even make sense.
Man, Duane is like the higher time frames, Duane. You know what I mean? That's the new animal. This is like a stem. I'm trying to make this work. No, I mean, because I rebooted my computer, so I don't.
Yeah, of course.
Come on, bestie. Give Duane a hug.
Give Duane a hug.
It's sitting right on a Camarillo pivot, just so you know.
Okay.
Resistance 4 on the 2-minute.
Got you.
Yeah, so it looks like it's breaking that now. So just FYI. But there's that wick. It's got to clear that wick.
Oh, get out of here. That's trash. Oh well. I closed it at like 200, got $30. Coming down to that VWAP right there. We did not tap that VWAP right there. We did not tap it. Almost tapped it, but we did not tap it yet. We got news in less than 7 minutes now. Less than 7 minutes for the news. At this point for me, I'm waiting to get below that VWAP to take another short here.
Hey, brother, is your VWAP 187.74?
Mine is 186.75, so we're right there.
Yeah, okay, we're sharing a driveway. That's good.
Yep. All right, just broke through that VWAP. All right, just add $200 right there. We just broke out that 15-minute range, pulled right back to the 15-minute range right there. So we pushed through the low of the 15 and that pivot point, came right back in. So now we look for the next move here. I would like to see another bear flag print to give us more confirmation that we're going to continue down, because we're well above that close from yesterday. I just add another 200 and some change there. So up $800 for the day. I'm copy trading right now. There we go. Just went through yesterday's high. I would like to see a bear flag.
Duane would like to see a flag.
So the close from yesterday, 942.75. 942.75 is the close from yesterday there. I really want a bear flag if we're going to continue lower, right? Because the flags have this weird tendency of always repeating themselves, right?
Duane, I made 800 on that trade.
Hey, let's go, G. Good job, bro. Good job.
You should, man, if you waited a little bit, Duane, oh boy, would have got that drop. Oh my.
I lock it in, G. I just lock it in.
You right.
He's back and he's making another 1,200 as he talks.
Nope. It was at a bam, but I was like,
Hey, Big G, I just hope you have a great day, all right?
oh, already.
No, listen, man, I want you to have a better day, you jive turkey.
I will.
I will. Let's see how much more I need on this account here. Let's refresh.
Those wicks, Duane. We need that flag.
We definitely want that flag. We got news in less than 3 minutes. Less than 3 minutes for the news now. Right back up to that pivot. I would assume we're going to push through that and tap that low, that 15-minute range as well.
Well, it'd be nice if we stayed out of it and you know what I mean? Just additional confirmation and build that flag.
Yeah, I feel like we're going to just reject. I want to see us reject off the low of the 15-minute range here. Personally.
Well, that's getting personal if you really must know.
All right, there we go. Just tap the low of that 15-minute range right there. Let's see if we reject here. Or reject off that VWAP because that's right above the low of that 15-minute range.
15-minute range?
15-minute range getting strange. I'm sorry.
Right.
It's Friday, folks. It's Friday.
Hey, little under a 2-minute warning for that news. Is it red folder?
That I'm not sure. It doesn't tell me what type folder it is on the Tradeify journal. Alrighty, there we go. We're starting to get that. They're trying to have a red candle form right there. I want to see that. Let's get below that pivot point.
What's going on?
Hey, Mr. BP in the flesh. What's up, bro?
Man, that guy does more with a microphone than anybody. That check his voice. He's like, boom. The voice is like.
How you doing this morning, bro?
Doing pretty good.
1 minute on that news.
Yeah, we're pushing above that VWAP as well. We are pushing above that VWAP right now. I don't want the price to go much higher than where it's at for this to be our little bear flag here. We do have news in 30 seconds. 30-second news. 30-second news. Come on, Betsy. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? There's the news. There's the news right there, folks.
Well, I think I saw a wiggle. Hang on.
It wiggled and jiggled. But we got that buying wick on that candle, so not trying to short into a buying wick. Let's get below that wick. All right, we're below that pivot.
I'm in the short.
Well, be careful.
I took 3 steps. It did that little knee jerk thing. It scared the shit out of me. I was like, oh.
That was the news at 10.
Boy. It went my way, so I'm good. Oh my God.
I know we call Fridays full port Fridays, but don't be trading news like that, fam. No, it's coming out.
In honor of that, my man BP should tell you, like, all contracts on one trade, like the old days, the old school.
Are you
Dwayne's
trying to say
ignoring
that
me.
I should find him a trade and then he full ports it?
Yeah, like a full board Friday, it's like putting your trust in another member of the community.
Oh, jeez.
Oh!
Oh my God. Yo.
Well, that's a reversal.
100%. I'm getting ready to close this thing.
Oh my gosh.
It was like that news came out and like somebody forgot to enter to publish it.
It's too volatile. Boy, that's all. Boy, nah, I'm scared. Yeah, you just got no one to get in and get out. I know shit, boy. I ain't trying to lose my fun.
My money.
I ain't trying to lose my fun.
We got that buying wick still there. Decisions. Let's see if we get below that wick. If we do, I'll keep this open. If not, I'll close.
Short.
I'm already in the short.
Keep going down, baby. Keep going down.
There's that pivot point, though.
Oh, no, it's a magnet. It's going to come back down. Come on down, baby. Come on down. Let's go. You're going down. I know it. I feel it. Oh.
No, I don't like that. I don't like that little.
Bro. What was that?
That was so close.
What was that?
It's called, you're in a movie and there's like suspense. This is where Dwayne gets his most likes, right here.
Nah, I'm getting ready to close. I don't like that little, the way it just did that little weird little jerk.
The little knee jerk. Dwayne, those are exact moves that be happening to me, Dwayne. Oh, see, you're good now.
Yeah. Well, will he close or will he let it bounce back into red and keep it? See, he's awesome, man. The guy's a legend.
The guy's a legend.
Like, he could totally close it. I'm like, he's good. And then, like, 7 minutes later, he's still in it. And I'm like, what happened? Did he walk away?
What is up with this volatility right now? This is wild.
The volatility is crazy. Like, whoa. Nah, it still didn't break the Nope, it didn't break the top nor the bottom. So I feel like it's gonna break the bottom though. It's gonna drop. I feel it, dog. It's gonna break the bottom of that orb. Watch.
Okay, do that.
Going up now. Look like a look. You know, the bull's taking control right now.
Bull taking control.
For the moment, you get above that 20, like 210, 215, going up. Going up. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Keep coming down.
I hate how it's moving right now. I hate it. I'm waiting for this to play out, but I'm ready to close all at the same time.
It's bouncing back and forth, pretty much for the most part. It's stuck in this little range. It'll shoot up, come down, consolidate, shoot up a little bit, come down and consolidate again. It's those knee jerks for me. That's what gets me. Those knee jerk movements.
Yeah, those always stop me out as well.
Man.
And then the move happens, and I'm like, really?
Well, it happened to me today, BP, but it went my way, my direction. Thank God. But ooh, what you want to do?
What you
I
want to do?
I think, doesn't this look kind of like maybe I'm stretching it, but it could be like a 2-minute bear flag trying to form?
Yes, and I've been in it this entire time.
He's been
Dwayne
in it
knows
for
that's why
7
he's
minutes.
still in it. He knows it's gonna come down, but when?
But when? I'm getting ready to kill this. I don't like how it's all over the place.
It is very all over the place.
And then watch what happens. As soon as he gets out, it does the moves he's been looking for. But yeah, man, I guess you think. Back in the 200 area, watch it do his little dip. Go all the way down to the 80s, 70s. Consolidation at its finest. He ain't breaking 220. Shit, it's in the low 200. Going down. Yeah, look, I see the momentum. It's bullish right now. Looking, that's what it's looking like.
Yeah, I'm not trusting it. I closed that. I don't like how it's moving right now. And we're real close to that middle of that 15-minute range. That's why I just killed it.
Oh, we back in the middle. Oh, we in the middle. We don't diddle in the middle.
That's an eval. I'm not trading fundage right now.
I think I made enough for my funding today. I'm not touching it no more.
Through the middle of that 15-minute range right there.
Eval it is.
We need a flag. I would like to see a clean flag, personally.
All right, come on, let's go.
Who was that, Steve?
Yeah.
You must be in the trade, Steve.
No, I'm not. I'm just like, come on, let's get some. Daddy needs to make some money.
Daddy needs to make some money.
Woo. Looks like the alarm's in play, or what?
Just got stopped out.
The fuck?
Oh, it's gonna stall, buddy. It's gonna stall, buddy.
It's gonna stall, buddy. That's hilarious. I use Tradeify, Lucid, Take Profit Trader, and Apex. I'm funded with all of them. Right now, I'm working on evals because I'm trying to get fully funded with Tradeify and Lucid. So come the month of May, I could get one of the largest payouts I've ever gotten.
Damn. That's what's up, man.
Got you, bro. This is calls now for me. Okay.
God damn. All right, come on, let's go.
Hopefully everyone's going to have a good weekend this weekend. I know I'm just chilling and relaxing.
Chilling like a villain.
Feeling like a villain.
I don't care. Listen, this week is called Choppy Week. Oh my God.
This week has been special. This week has been special.
Oh, man. Choppy.
Getting ready to get to the high of this 15-minute range. There we go. Just broke out the high of the 15 right there. I would expect it to pull back before it continues.
It should. It should. Jump down to the 50s. So I could get back in.
Going to my copy trader real quick. I have way too many accounts. So we popped out the 15, came back into the 15-minute range.
Which Duane likes to see because 9 times out of 10, that's statistically what happens. We're not just going to charge forth at this point. Thank you, Duane.
Come on, break the order.
Oh, yeah.
I personally need to see a flag.
Duane needs a flag. Or at least a pendant. Okay. Now, I'm going to say something while you're waiting. I wrote something glowing to Duane. I was thinking. And then Duane sent me like something like, my insurance company got back. I was expecting that to hit a little bit. No. No. I'm just kidding. Right?
Maybe.
He liked it. He's not going to admit it, but he liked it. He like what I said.
Always. I love everything you say, Steve.
Yeah, how about that pump though? That's wicked, huh? That was just like, ah.
And then we're going right back down to the middle of this 15-minute range. Let's see, we got 30 seconds left on this 2-minute candle. Want to see what the next candle is looking like. Hopefully it's a green candle with some momentum to start pushing us. If it is, I'll take that flag. If we get to that yellow line with momentum. Going to my yellow line. We have not broken through the yellow line yet with follow through here. Music just ended. Let me get another one going.
I'm selling some of my stock right now because it's more interesting to make some money that way than.
That's when you know it's slow.
Yeah, I'm actually like on my brokerage account right now. Well, a couple of years ago, they started doing that HIMS thing, which is like a mail like thing, and it's like they treat like mail problems, and it's like online, so like everybody's gonna gravitate toward that, and then it bumped up to 400%.
Oh wow!
I mean, the stock is so that's why, because I know most people don't want to go to the doctor. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Especially with that stuff. So it's already paid. So now I'm pulling it out to do other things. Dig it.
Hey, Duane, quick question for you.
Yeah.
If I'm trying to open up NinjaTrader and it's only opening up the control center, how do I open up the workspace?
So you didn't save the workspace. That's what would happen. So if it's only populating the control center, that means the workspace wasn't saved. So go to on your control panel, go over to workspaces, see if you can load one.
Almost through, but if you start seeing like where it starts getting to where your zone is, let me know, because I'm not looking at the screen at this second.
No, you're good right now. We're just slowly coming down away from the yellow line.
Damn. Come on down.
We got massive selling wicks on the 5-minute candles. So we're just gonna wait to see what we get. Those wicks on those 5 minutes are crazy. Sorry here, Warrior. Monday's a new day, fam. Monday's a new day.
We're not doing it, Rootsy. All right, and then what I put in earlier this week, I've already made 11% on.
Oh, that's awesome.
So I mean, just that segment, I made $2,000 just on that trade. Drop-by goes, leave them in the days. PepsiCo is up for me. That's nice. I would like to. You one of these days, you got to get into your justicate about your other investment ideas.
No, 100%. That'll probably be only on the legacy side. We'll talk about.
Oh yeah, this is fucking like Red Bio legacy, like the inner circle. You know what I mean? Berkshire Hathaway, you know, at the beginning of the year, like Buffett's no longer the CEO, so that's interesting.
And that is actually interesting.
And the new CEO is like kind of taking in another direction, but it's not a bad thing yet. We got some shares of that, mother. I don't want to start watching those numbers. I hate I don't hate it, but I'm watching it like roll live. I'm like, I don't need to see that rolling live, and then it's like you know, it's like I need to get back to the charts. You know, I don't want to be watching that price amidst the more immediate trade. Those wicks, man, come on.
Let's see if there's 21 access support here. If not, I'll kill this, but I got a feeling it's going to. There we go.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun.
Come on, Betsy. Watching these Rincos right now, they have not been exciting me today. Slightly consolidating right there. Give us the bull flag. Come on.
Bull flag, bear flag. Come on.
Come on.
It's like I feel like I'm watching like a Hitchcock movie with the the suspense. Come on, let him out. Let him out.
Yeah, we're getting tight here on the Rincos.
That is some solid consolidation.
We got to break through that 38 level. We need to break through that 38 level. That's where the bulls keep getting stopped at. Yeah, I'm getting ready to kill this thing. Because right now, the way it's dancing, there's no real winner yet. Right there on that 21 EMA as well. All right, there's the middle of the 15-minute range right there. Just lost that. I close. 2 bad trades a day. 2 bad trades a day for me. I'm done trading. Only on evals. They were on evals, but still. I treat evals like they're funded.
Yeah, let's get to the funded now. Since you're out of evals, let's make it happen.
Oh, I'm not at evals. I'm just not trading no more.
Where are we going? 10 contracts. Tell him to his next trade.
No. What's up, Donk?
No.
Today is just chopping, and I got chopped in some eval, so your boy's done. We got too many wicks right now for my liking, and the Rincos aren't really moving how I want them moving either, so. Maybe we drop below this 15-minute range here, possibly.
I don't like it. It's chopping.
Yeah, I don't like it either.
Motherfucking chopping. Flopping.
We're sitting right on top of that VWAP currently, right on top of it. We have not gotten a bear flag. We have not gotten a full bull flag. We haven't gotten any clean moves today. For me. Maybe y'all got some clean moves, but I have not gotten any clean moves today.
Hello.
Maybe we build us a little, I'm not even going to say a bear flag because it's just too much chop.
But what we do is like there's a guy I listen to. His name is Duane, and he just says like, you take a breath, you watch, and you just find your next setup. Doesn't mean you're never trading again. It means the next trade's gonna be very smart.
No, 100%. But right now, the way this market has me, I don't even want to touch it.
Listen, I would write you something very appreciative and edifying to you, but you just probably send me like the instructions on how to take an aspirin back. So
I'll just send you a thumbs up. No blame. That's my mom. If I send her something or ask her a question, she'll just hit the thumbs up.
I mean, your mother's awesome, so I'm not mocking her the least, but like if whatever I say, it's just like a thumb. It's like okay.
I legit clicked short and I never was green at any point.
It's chopping, fam. It's chopping right now, bro.
Should have cut this way sooner. I don't know what I'm just Waiting to see if it's gonna come back to break even.
This may be a bear flag right here. We got the selling wicks, but we got that VWAP right there. We need to get below that VWAP. James is saying in the chat saying buy. I don't think so, James. But that's just me personally. It's not you, it's me. We get below that VWAP. We may have a short opportunity, but
Tapping the VWAP. It's tapping the VWAP.
yeah, it's tapping. We need to get through it. We need to get through that VWAP.
I would like us to get through it because I think I bought the bounce. I sold the bounce without realizing. I need to reset up this freaking Ninja Trader because I don't have any of my indicators except for Rinkos and just a couple things.
All right. Just put some money in some funded accounts right there. James is from Massachusetts. That's awesome. I got family up there. What's up, Niner? Where do you pay? You have to click the builder's plan, bro. If you click the link in the description of the streams, everything like that, it's the builder's plan. Ouch, I would have been smoked. James, I said, it's not really a buy. All right, there we go. Breaking out right there.
What
70.
the? I just got the worst scratch possible. I tried to close for 300 and I got 150.
Green is green.
Yeah, it's annoying sometimes, BP. It is annoying.
Holy. I would only need 150 more dollars if I got my other 150.
BP,
Yeah, I
it's
started
like the
it.
market.
Let me rotate here.
Great.
Just in case we get something really astronomical. I'll take a trade on 11 funded.
Chape.
So,
On
like,
11?
it's hovering around the Camarillo pivot, right? Just not touching it, but just above resistance 1.
Yeah, the R1 at 171.75. Is that the one, Steve?
Oh yeah, wait. I'm sorry. I was looking through like 3 things. So that's actually the pivot. But then there's the resistance 4 was on the top of that candle. So it's resistance 4. Then we have the VWAP, and then we have the pivot. So it's kind of like a sandwich right now.
Okay. Yeah, let's see if we get below this pivot. And I need to see a legit flag with the momentum. I need an A++ setup for me to take a trade on these 11 funded accounts here. Gotta see something clean. We're at that pivot point. Nice. I'm trading the Nasdaq, James. I like putting lightning in a bottle. Prepare for calls. Right back up to that VWAP there. Like I said, I gotta see an A+++ setup for me to take a trade on these 11 accounts because I was gonna hold and wait till May 1st to start executing trades on these. But if we get a decent little move, I'll take it. I'll put some money in all these accounts real quick. Start base hitting them. Even if it's just $100, I'm fine with that because $100 now on these 11 accounts is $1,100 for the day. Just with $100. So
He's ready.
Some power.
don't let me get $200.
2,200.
Man, what is this, like 5th grade math? Hey, can you answer? Well, we got 300. Hey, BP, I sent you something.
Thank you, James. We got the traders hangout tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We'll be fireside, poolside tonight, talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. Make sure you guys sub and tune in for that. It's always a good old time. It's going to be the weekend, so we're going to be just legit chilling. No charts pulled up unless I'm doing a little teaching moment for y'all. And we're going to get her done.
Well, that's good to know that you turned the chart off.
We're above that VWAP. I do have to jump out of here right at 11. I mean, right at 11, I had to jet out of here. So, letting y'all know now, I'm gone right at 11, maybe 10:55, so I can get moving a little bit faster today.
You can't wait to get to your workout?
No, I gotta run around town before my workout today. Today's one of my busy Fridays.
Oh yeah, probably payroll, stuff like that. I'll fill in the blanks.
Yeah, you already know, Steve. You already know. People want to get paid. I don't know why.
For real.
Tuesday at 7 p.m. We're having, for the Legacy Wealth Society, my private training community, we're having a training going over my full strategy. You can't get access to that. You could join for free, join the community for free, but for the training, you have to at least have the lowest package, and everybody part of the community is invited to it. We're going to be going over it, breaking everything down, answering questions in real time, and helping you guys level up your trading. Have a good one, Rob. I'll see you tonight, brother.
Hey, VP, did you see that?
Oh, you won't? Okay. Okay. It happens. I guess the draft's more important than the hangout, bro. I feel you. You like that black wall? Appreciate you, bro. Thank you.
That's interesting. So is there 2 pivot points on that?
Yeah, that's a Camarillo pivot. So the Camarillo pivot is a spread based on, what it's doing, and it's, in the opening range and stuff. So it'll have 4 resistance, 4 support, and they're fluid. They'll change, and it's like when I do my overnight stuff, it will definitely like help see some of the things.
Really?
And like if it's ever like doing a reversal around resistance 3 or support 3, that's supposed to be like the gold standard. There's like a whole methodology around that, but I've read it and studied it, but that one hasn't worked out as much. But I do see the interaction with those come into play. So there you go.
Well, thank you for sharing. I appreciate that.
We're back
I'm a
below
little bit
the
newer to
VWAP.
ninja.
We're below the VWAP right now.
Yeah.
Let's
It
see if
was-
we get to my yellow line through that
It
pivot
was
with
actually
follow
a book I
through.
read, but it's helped because it has that interaction. So sometimes it'll give me that edge where okay, that's where we're gonna build a flag or etc. What's the Dow doing? Is it in play? No.
The way this thing's moving right now, it does not have me want to take another trade. I'll tell you that.
Well, how about you just talk smack and have some fun?
We are having fun. We're always having fun talking to you guys. Okay, look. Here's a boner candle out of nowhere.
A boner candle? What is this, like 11th grade math? Come on.
That literally came out of nowhere. We're above that 15-minute middle of the range. Let's see if we get a flag. I need a flag. I'm not trying to just do a momentum play on 11 accounts. I'll tell you that. Yeah, no. Take my hand off that mouse. I have to take my hand off that mouse because this thing is not moving clean whatsoever.
Yeah, I'm not saying it's gotta like change it. It's gotta reform itself before I even consider it. I'm gonna go look up Duane Broom on Wikipedia. I'll be right back.
All right, we just cleared. Well, we almost cleared that previous candle wick. BP, what you feeling, bro? What you feeling?
I realized too late, but I think we have some bullish S&P at the lows, pretty much exactly where the pivot was, where I like tried to freaking go short, and I got lucky to get out.
Hey, we like luck sometimes. You know what I'm saying? We like luck sometimes.
Yeah. Trying to open my mind and like be receptive to being able to do both at the same time. It's gonna take a little bit of training, but I think I could do it.
Gotcha. Well, right now we haven't really had any flags, so it's been a day with no flags.
One question I did have for you is if you are trying to save like your workspace, like let's say I made like changes, like I added all the pivots back and I added some MAs to my stuff. What would I do to save it? Because if I close out, wouldn't it not save right now?
Yeah, when it saves, so you need to go to your workspace and hit save as.
Save as?
Yeah, save as.
Save?
I would honestly, since you made edits, just do a save as, so you have that backup that will get you there if needed. But I would just do a save as, so you already know which one you already got dialed for yourself. Let's see if we could get this candle to drop just a little bit more. I want it to be red.
Yo, Steve.
Yo.
You should check out the candle at 10:07 on
Check it
NQNDS.
out.
You also have to like see which candle takes it, but yeah.
Yeah, this market I ain't feeling it. I ain't feeling it.
Yes, you are. Yes.
No, I'm not. Look at all this consolidation on the wrinkle bars.
Yeah,
That's all consolidation right there. No, thank you.
If only I knew.
The wrinkle bars look like a skin rash right now. They're angry. It's like, dang.
Bro, that looks like a heartbeat monitor.
That's why I say it's the heartbeat of the market, bro.
Hey,
Or it's
yeah.
like-
That's why I say
you're
that.
playing you're playing like an 8-bit video game, like it's like world-class skiing. It's like you got
Some wrinkle bars are everything.
Well, thank you for that, but we're saying something different, Uncle G.
No, I was going by what the Duane and them said. It was looking like a damn heart monitor.
Oh yeah.
What?
What was
No,
that?
the wrinkles, how it looks like.
That was confusing.
What did it say? Like, be careful, it's chopping.
I have no clue. I think I messed up my copy trader. Hold on.
It's like it
That one didn't copy. That's annoying. Whatever
Oh,
on
wow,
that.
That's crazy.
It won't even let you trade. It's like, sorry, man, the market is too messed up. You know, don't be stupid.
Don't be stupid. I'm checking this. What did I do on my
Check it.
Replicanto?
Replicanto.
Yo,
Disney presents Replicanto on ice.
No, those are good.
Checking out that candle, Steve.
Oh yeah, 10:07, right?
Let me turn all those off, actually.
Yes.
Well, I just copy traded on 11 accounts, even with that weird message. I think I got to turn these off because I have a couple different groups that I could copy trade on.
Can you group them in NinjaTrader?
Yeah. So when you're using Replicanto, that's the third party copy trader I use. I can have specific groups.
Well, you also said NinjaTrader does have a copy trader, but it doesn't have all the bells and whistles of Replicanto, right?
Yes.
So I I mean, it does have some functionality there, but Dwayne likes to say Replicanto because it's cool and it also has some like.
Well, honestly, I'm trying to make another $40 here, so I can make this $1,100.
Yeah, how much is Replicanto for the kids at home?
For the, what is it? For the lifetime, I think it's like $200 lifetime.
Yeah.
And then the yearly, maybe like $100 a year or something like that. I forget.
But you got the lifetime this time, right?
Yeah. So we tapped the high of that 15-minute. We broke out briefly, came right back in here.
Dwayne would like to see a flag once it breaks out of the 15-minute range. Oh, but he's trading anyway.
Yo, my Ninja Trader just froze for like a couple seconds.
Oh, I got $95. That's trash. And then it goes up. Oh, well, I'm done because that's $95 on 11 accounts.
That's 950. Wait, no, that's more. It's 1,000.
But that's I do like that. $95, $1,000. I don't know how that one works, but we'll take it.
That is just like the base hit, man. AP,
I do have to.
Can you send me a screen grab of what you're talking about on the candles to make sure that I'm comprehending what you're saying?
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you.
Coming right back down to the 15-minute range there. All right, 240 on that account. So I traded 14 of my funded today, all green for my funded accounts. We'll definitely take that. I had to take a trade on this one because it did not copy trade on the first trade I took with my other Tradeify account. So it was weird. But
I say by May or June, I'll probably start copy trading.
just be careful with it, bro.
Oh yeah, I know. I'm not gonna start like go crazy. I'll probably start off with like probably three or four.
Well, why don't you start with like 2?
2? Why don't I start with 2?
Actually, it was interesting. As I was watching some information from this one guy, and he was talking about how like copy trading 2 and 5 accounts is literally the same thing. It was like if you want to, you could basically go with like get a payout, then get 2 accounts, copy trade them, and then once you get that payout, then just go full allocation. Because at that point, if you're already copy trading, you might as well just go all the way, and you'll just either reach the same results faster, or you'll just end up doing the same thing you would have done, whether it would have been 2 or 5.
Yeah,
the accounts or get payouts.
Well, I recommend when starting to copy trade, just from my perspective, take it with a grain of salt. The whole thing with trading, right, with prop firms, you don't want to spend a lot of money until you're getting payouts. So
Absolutely.
when you want to start copy trading, I recommend just adding 1 account at a time, get a payout, and continue adding an account that way. So that way you accidentally don't go on tilt and blow 5 accounts all at once.
Yeah, true.
You know what I'm saying? So you build it based off your payouts. But that's just me. Or you have like, if you have a funded account, you copy trade your evals to that funded account. So it's just copying your funded account because you're trading your funded account more dialed, hopefully. So you're not risking anything. Hey, what's up, DH? Appreciate you pulling up, fam. No tilt allowed. I feel that, bro. But tilt does happen. Real traders know. I'm trying to see if I could get another entry. I got 5 minutes before I jump off here. 5 minutes before I jump off. Let's see if I get another entry. If not, it is what it is. Up for the day like $1,700 on my funded account. So give us some momentum. Back into the 15-minute range right there.
I sent you that message to you.
To me or Steve?
Oh, it's a Steve.
Okay. Looking kind of heavy
Also,
right here.
Dude, I totally fumbled the other day. I don't know how in the world that was possible, but that stuff I was meaning to send you, I put it in the market makers chat.
I was like, what are
I
you
didn't
talking
believe
about?
all of
You
it,
didn't
bro.
send me anything. You're like, no, I
Yeah,
sent it. I
I,
sent it. I'm like,
Yeah,
oh.
I was like, what? And I randomly saw it the other day. I was like, oh shoot. But I deleted it all and then I resent it to you.
Got you. Well, there's that momentum. Back above the 15-minute range. We'd like to see some type of a flag for this last trade of the day. What are we trying to do? I got 3 minutes. 3 more minutes. Getting ready to clear the previous candle wick. Let's see if we clear it. We have not cleared it yet. All right, just cleared it. There we go. Yeah, we're not getting clean moves right now where I'm like, I want to click the button, but I don't all at the same time. Because I'm maybe a momentum play, but we haven't had enough momentum that I like.
Oh, you want to break the orb or what? Come here and it keeps going there and it drop and it wants to do its little bullshit. Like, damn, you gonna go up or what? Oh my gosh. Right back down. Come on, man. Are you gonna break?
Come on.
Come on, Betsy. Going up. Cuzzo, get the door. That's George for me. Get the door. That's George. I'm in the trade. That's why. It's my eval.
All right, there we go. 405 on 11 accounts right there. I'm done with that. Done.
Okay,
Done.
You, though, you got to do the calculations.
All right, I gotta do the calculation. Hold on, let me pull it up just to make sure I copy trade across all accounts. Let's freaking go. We like that. Let me slide this over.
What's up?
So the calculation for today, let me add all this up before we go. I did have 2 losing trades on Lucid today. They were not funded, they were evals. But these are the funded accounts.
I feel like eval losses are only 20% or 20. You have to divide that loss by like 20, and then that's your real loss on the account because it's an eval. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I treat them like they're funded though. Like I like if I lose on a what's it called? On an eval, I still feel it.
I guess that's true. You don't want to be like numb to the losses, or else you'll just start taking
1,
bad losses
2.
for no reason. I've definitely done that before, just taking losses for no reason.
Yeah. 381. Let me make sure that was all of them. 1, 2, 3. Yep. So $4,600 for the day on my funded accounts. We'll take that. We will take that.
What'd you say? Sorry, I didn't catch it.
46.1736 for the day on fundeds. The reason you do that is to make sure you keep doing what you're doing. No, 100%. Like, I try treating evals with respect like I treat the fundeds. Sometimes it's easier said than done on evals because sometimes you want to up the contract size. But I've been trying to treat them just like fundeds. But looking like another bull flag right here. I want to take this, but we're not going to be greedy today. And I got to go to 11 o'clock, boys. Tonight, traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. Come hang out with us. We're talking trading. We're talking life, everything in between. With that being said, I hope all you guys have a safe rest of your day. Don't do anything too crazy today. Enjoy your freaking weekend, boys.
Peace out.